Hello friends, let's now solve question number 2. ABC is a right triangle, right angled at B. So this is the figure they have given in the question. They told that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle with right angle at B. It means 90 degrees at B. Let D and E be any points on AB and BC respectively. So they told that D is a point on AB and E is a point on the side BC. What we need to prove here? AE square plus CD square equals to AC square plus DE square. This is what we need to prove. Clear? See here, let's now enter into the solution. I have just drawn the figure which was given in the question. So what we need to prove, required to prove is AE square plus CD square equals to AC square plus DE square. This is what we need to prove. So when you see the figure here, how many right angle triangles are formed in the figure? When you see here, from the vertex A, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and triangle ABE is also a right angle triangle. So first let's write the right angle triangles formed in the figure. Triangle ABC and triangle ABE. Correct? After that, from the point D. So this is the point D. From the point D, how many right angle triangles are formed? Triangle DBC and triangle DBE. Okay. So triangle DBC and triangle DBE. So in this figure, in the given figure, totally 4 right angle triangles are formed. So what are those? It is triangle ABC, triangle ABE and triangle DBC and triangle DBE. So here 4 right angle triangles are there in the given figure. And what does the theorem 8.8 states? So theorem 8.8, that is Pythagoras theorem, states that if in a right angle triangle the square of a hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Correct? So the theorem we have proved that. So I am taking the point from the theorem 8.8 that in a right angle triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Now let's apply the theorem here. As per Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC, let's see the figure here. This is the triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, what is the hypotenuse? The side opposite to the right angle is nothing but the hypotenuse. So AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Correct? In triangle ABC, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay? In the same way, let's write it for the remaining 3 triangles also. In triangle ABE, so this is triangle ABE. What is the hypotenuse? Side opposite to right angle. It means AE is the hypotenuse. In triangle ABE, AE square equals to AB square plus BE square. Clear? So in the same way, let's write it for these two also. In triangle DBC, so this is DBC. What is the hypotenuse here? DC. Okay, you can write it as CD also. So CD square equals to BD square plus BC square. Correct? BD square plus BC square. So what is the remaining? In triangle DBE. So in triangle DBE, what is the hypotenuse in this right angle triangle DBE? It is DE. Correct? Side opposite to right angle, that is DE square equals to DB square plus DE square. Okay, so we have just applied the Pythagoras theorem to the right angle triangles formed in the figure. So let's see the required to prove part. They told that AE square plus CD square should be equals to AC square plus DE square. So with either of it you have to prove the other part. So what will I do here? See, AE square, can you see AE square here? Yes, here it is there. Again CD square, yeah, here it is there. So what will I do? I just put the four equations as equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 and equation 4. So from the LHS part I am going to prove the RHS part. So what will I do here? Equation 2 plus equation 3 equals to, write it here. So I am just clubbing these two equations. So what do we get? AE square, LHS you just add it. AE square plus CD square equals to AB square plus BE square plus BD square plus BC square. Okay, here in the required to prove part on the LHS part it was AE square plus CD square. So I have just added equation 2 plus equation 3. So LHS I have just added and RHS whatever was there I have just added. Now when you see here, AB square plus BE square plus BD square plus BC square. So here in the RHS part I will tell you a small logic here. We have to form AC and DE. Let's see in the equations where can we get AC and DE. See, here you can get DE and here you can get AC. Okay. So in order to obtain AC, what should be there? AB square plus BC square. So what will I do here? Here AB square is there and here BC square is there. I will write these two at one place and I will put it in brackets. Okay. So AB square plus BC square. Because here the operation is addition. So you can write it anywhere, no problem. After that, plus BE square plus BD square, I am writing it as usual. Okay. So here AB square plus BC square from equation 1, you can write in this place AC square. Correct? So in the place of AB square plus BC square, I am writing here AC square. Okay. And the remaining part, it is BE square plus BD square. See here, BE square plus DB or BD, anything is same because it is a side. So from equation 4, DB square plus BE square or BE plus BD, anything is same here. So in this place you can write DE square. So I am writing DE square. So after writing on which basis you have written this or on which basis you have substituted AC and DE, you have to write it. On which basis did we do this step? It's on the basis of equation 1 and equation 4. Since from equation 1 and 4. Okay, from equation 1 it is AC square equals to AB square plus BC square and equation 4 DE square equals to DB square plus BE square. Clear? So this is what we got. Let us see in the required to prove part what it is there. We have to prove AE square plus CD square equals to AC square plus DE square. It is proved, right? Therefore, AE square plus CD square equals to AC square plus DE square. Hence proved. Hence proved. So this is the solution. It's very simple. You just have to find out the right angle triangles in the given triangle and just applying the Pythagoras principle to the right angles. After that, just frame the equations here. Just observe the LHS part. Whatever was there, you just do the addition because here the function is addition function. So here I have added equation 2 plus equation 4. Sorry, equation 2 plus equation 3 I have added here. So in the RHS here, whatever was there, I have just continued here. So you want in the RHS AC square and DE square. So in order to get AC, you have to get AB square plus BC square. So I have just written these two terms at one place and have put it in brackets. After that, remaining whatever was there, I have put it in another brackets. So from equation 1, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square, and equation 4, DE square equals to DB square plus BE square. Anything is same here. Okay, so in this place I have substituted DE, and this place I have substituted AC from equation 1 and equation 4. So on which basis you have substituted, you have to definitely mention in your examination also. Clear? So this is what they asked us to prove. So it was proved, hence proved. So this is the solution. It's quite easy. So I hope you liked the explanation. In case you like my video, do like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.